So that said, though, your taxes are the largest expense any one person in America has, really around the world. But we're just talking about you right now, right? So if you're a big shot, you're probably spending about 40 to 50% in expenses. Let's say 37% in expenses, 28% in expenses, depending on where you live, California, New York, some of the highest state taxes ever. You're tacked on another, I don't know, 13, 14, maybe 15% of that. So you're spending 50. If you made $100,000 a year, $55,000 of the money that you generated from your job goes to taxes. You're working half of the year. You're working to pay your taxes, working to pay the state, the government, the federal taxes, all that stuff. So if you're going to invest money, you want to put your money in a place that one protects that capital. Number two, you get the tax benefits of the investment. So it actually pays you to make the investment by now not needing to pay that much money in taxes. That's what real estate does. All right. So number three, it needs to give you passive income. Like, as a matter of fact, we did one of the things. So like Apple doesn't pay a dividend. What was the other one? Some of the other companies out there that we look at, Tesla and all that stuff, Twitter doesn't pay, which is now X, doesn't pay dividends. All of the things that a lot of people want to run to as it relates to the stock market, and I got money in this, none of them give you passive income. So while you are working and putting your money in a place, they are taking your money, using it to continue to expand the business, but you aren't getting any benefit of that. You may get the ups of that, but you just saw Tesla stock dropped. Uh, Nvidia's dropped, Apple dropped, like Microsoft has dropped. All of the things that have been holding everything up. Even Netflix at some point is doing great now, but a little while ago it wasn't, right? Any bad report in the market, whether they're not hitting projections or they're cutting back on what their future projections are for the revenues or anything like that, man, it gets slammed. I think Lululemon lost like 20, 30% or more. I'm probably off on that. I'll probably reverse that number. They probably lost 80% of their value because they cut back. They cut back on their projections. Those things happen. And if you're in a situation where you're in an investment, stock market, retirement accounts, because it's all tied to, I mean, if it's not a real asset, it's tied to Wall Street, period, no matter what you think it is. Even if it's a wholesale life policy or you borrowed against it and you're loaning against it, it's all stock market, period. I mean, they're all in bed together. They're not bad, but you got to play a different game. So, but if it's not paying you, and you're just riding that wave, it's going to affect. So it needs to pay you some type of passive income while you're growing your revenue in your company, your business, your work. That thing's paying you, right? You earn that.